You guys are in a crisis. I'm on my way.
Give me the gum. Give me the gum. Chew it up and then spit it out of my hand. Yeah, thank you. What? Don't yell at me. What are you yelling for? I'm not getting it right now. You take a bite. Don't put your hands up at me. Here. Don't hit me.
Did I miss a baby? I think it's ridiculous.
That's your children's Coco.
He's 3 years old. He's a big boy. He's not a baby. I'm gonna move Chase on from this bottle. He's 3 years old. Right. He doesn't need it. I've got here. Okay. The special cup. All right. We're gonna say goodbye to the bottle. Mum, I want you to do this with Chase. This is important that you do this, okay? Because you need to let go of this baby thing. All right?
Okay. Chase, look at you're a big boy now, and you're not gonna have the bottle anymore. But look at you have your new cup. Look at your new cup. Don't cry, don't cry. Look at Mommy's gonna get rid of the bottle. You don't need it. You don't need the bottle anymore, okay? We're gonna throw it out, okay? No, don't throw it. I won't throw it out. I'll put it away.
No. Excuse me. Can I just interrupt? Chase. Chase.
Colin's gonna do this. Don't worry. Come here. Have this.
And Mommy's gonna take the bottle and put it away because you're a big boy now. And we're gonna give you a big boy cup.
My Coco.
This is your big boy cup because you're big. Look how nice it is. You're not a baby anymore. Mommy's gonna take the bottle and we're gonna get rid of it, okay? Your mommy's gonna take it.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna...
Look, Mommy's gonna throw it in the garbage.
I'll take the garbage out today, Tom. Take it from him. Look. Give me the garbage can.
No, I want Mummy to do it.
Take this out to the curb. Look at this cool cup.
I know.
Well, let's just take a look at it. I know you don't want, but just take it out. Look at this. Watch it turn. Watch it colors. See? I don't know. I kind of like it.
Seahorse on it.
Wow.